friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product review. And in today's video we are going to review the Duke's Waffy Chocolate Flavoured Wafer Rolls. So in our last video we had reviewed the Duke's Waffy Strawberry Flavoured Wafer Rolls and they were just amazing. And today I can't wait to review the Duke's Waffy Chocolate Flavoured Wafer Rolls. So right here, like the strawberry flavored roll, the Duke's Waffy chocolate flavor wafer rolls also come in a plastic jar packaging. The strawberry ones were having a pink color packaging. This is chocolate flavored, so it has a chocolatey brown color packaging here. Right here we can see the Duke's Waffy branding right on top in the face of it. Then there it is, Choco Flavored Wafer Rolls is written here. The net weight is 250 grams, so this is a pav kilo dabba, and the MRP of the same is 150 rupees. Shelf life of the Duke's Waffy Choco Flavored Wafer Rolls is 9 months from packaging. Here are the nutrition facts mentioned here. It's a pure vegetarian product. And what else do we have here? Here they have mentioned the ingredients and the various license numbers and stuff. So quickly we'll go ahead and open the Duke's Wafer Rolls. So we just need to twist it open. It's a twist open jar. Here it is. So it's sealed with aluminium foil, so we need to tear it open as well. Just tear a little bit of it. Let's pull out a wafer roll. So here it is. So guys, this is the Duke's Choco Flavored Wafer Roll. I'm a big fan of Duke's. I really like their wafer sandwiches which they have. The creamy wafer sandwiches that they have. And now I'm going to try on. I'll try the strawberry wafer rolls and they were just amazing. And now we are going to test and do a taste test of the Waffy chocolate flavored wafer rolls. So here it goes. This is a taste test of the Duke's Waffy chocolate flavored wafer roll. Nice combination of vanilla and chocolate here. Very creamy, full of cream on the inner side. You just can't stop at eating just one. So I'm going to have one more. You see how crispy it is. It just breaks in your hand. Very crispy, very crunchy, very creamy on the inside. Super tasty. So the Duke's Waffy chocolate flavored wafer rolls are definitely a 5 on 5 amazing product from Duke's. A definite favorite for the kids. The kids are going to love it. On time I opened the strawberry flavored wafer roll box, my daughter can't stop eating them. And now when she sees the chocolate flavor, definitely she's going to go crazy over it. So guys, if you all are looking to buy the Duke's Waffy chocolate flavored wafer rolls, I'll left the link in the description below. You can purchase it from Amazon. And if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.